Y'all, there is still hope. We have to hold on to hope that we will get a good package together soon, even with all this executive order stuff. Y'all, thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me your thumbs up. Leave me your comments. I read every one of my comments, and I love to hear from you. Y'all, I was thinking, with Donald Trump and the feds putting together a package for Trump to sign an executive order on, just maybe this will light a fire under the asses of Congress and they will get something done. Because they know if they let this happen, they will be voted out of office. This will be political suicide. Personally, I think they will be voted out anyway. But maybe we've got some hope to hold on to get us through all of the stimulus mess. We have to believe this will happen, because if it's done this way, I don't see a stimulus check for a long time. The House and the Senate is going to be really ticked off, and they are not going to get a stimulus check to the people that needs it. So if Trump can do this, it will be big. I know it's hard right now, but try to hold on to faith. We will get through this. Let's hope it happens this way. Both sides are to blame on this. No side is better than the other side on getting stuff done. They're all dragging their feet. Now, we don't know if Donald Trump can do this for sure, if he can do it legally. But if he does it and gets in deep water over it and loses the election because of it, I think he would rather lose the election trying to help the people, and not how the House and the Senate is going to lose the election by doing nothing at all for the people. I think this will sit better with him in his psychic. I hope he can do it. I hope he can get it done. But at the same time, it's good and it's bad, because think about this. He would be getting unemployment to a group of people. He will be forgiving student loans for a group of people. But on the other hand, we're losing a stimulus check for everybody. So this could help him and it could hurt him. We'll just have to wait and see. But we got to hold on to faith that something good is going to come of this, and I believe it will. Mark Meadows and I think it was Stephen Mnuchin. Names are running together with me. But they're coming out of the meeting and saying that they're going to tell Trump to go ahead and sign executive orders. That could be a smoke and mirrors, trying to get the Senate and the House to do something, because they're fed up. The feds are fed up. Y'all, we're going to get out of this. I know we will. We have to. Y'all, just like y'all told me when my wife was on her deathbed, you said, have faith, pray, she will be better. And she was. And thank you all for that. We have to do the same thing for our country and for our leaders. We got to pray for our country's healing. We got to pray for our leaders to do the right thing. We know they hadn't done the right thing up till now. Maybe prayer will help. Y'all, I love you all. Please come back again. I will do this again at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, unless something else happens today and I want to make another video about it. Just know I do love you all, and ciao until next time.